Do you know that pets are good for your mental health? Science says your pet is good for your mental health. A pet can be a great source of comfort, companionship, and motivation for their owners. We know your pet is part of the family, so you want to give him the best little extras to keep him happy, safe, and comfortable. For that, you can use Essentials Pets Accessories. The Pet Pro is a fast-growing online pet accessories e-commerce website with a genuine energy for helping pets that makes available a wide variety of dog and cat products. They provide trending pet accessories, pet beds, mat and pads, cleaning utilities, crates and cages, collars and leashes, pet toys, grooming tools, and more. The Pets Pro features pet accessories up to 50% off every day and a low price guarantee. They also provide free shipping, secure payment gateway, and guarantee 100% customer satisfaction. Please visit our website to improve your pet's fashion sense.